Russia's most advanced main battle tank, T-90M Proryv, arrives in Special Operations Zone. The Russian Ministry of Defense announced on December 20th, a group of cutting-edge T-90M Proryv main battle tanks have arrived for an armored unit of the Central Military District, state news agency TASS reported. A batch of advanced upgraded T-90M Proryv tanks has arrived for an armored unit of the Central Military District. The tank crews are honing their gunnery and vehicle control skills. Instructors are training the personnel, taking into account present-day combat experience. After mastering their interoperability, the tank crews will start accomplishing missions within the Otvazhniye battle group, the Russian ministry said. The Russian T-90M tanks entered the Central Military District when Ukraine requested the Western countries for advanced battle tanks, like the German Leopard-2, to bolster its ground offensive. The German government is yet to decide on the tank, despite securing a go-ahead from the United States, while the T-90M is an upgraded tank with state-of-the-art capabilities. The Proryv is the most sophisticated armored vehicle in the family of T-90 tanks, owing to its all-around protection, a contemporary round-the-clock highly automated fire control system, and improved survivability technology. According to its manufacturers, it is most importantly suitable for operations on a modern battlefield. Data from Otvazhniye indicate the T-90M has undergone multi-layered upgrading and can legitimately be referred to as a new combat vehicle. The T-90M was first tested during the Zapad 2017 military exercise in September 2017. It now sports a mostly brand new turret, different from a combat module built in serial production, and a more potent 1130 horsepower engine. The Proryv is equipped with a 125mm tank cannon that can fire modern, powerful weapons and missiles that can destroy enemy tanks at a distance of up to 5 kilometers. The Proryv has a similar layout to earlier T-90 variants, with the driver compartment up front, the turret in the middle of the hull, and the engine in the back. Its 1000mm 12-cylinder engine gives it the power to travel at 50 km per hour off-road and 60 km per hour on roads. Due to the advanced features of the tank, the impeccable protection of its armor, and the several upgrades, it is not a surprise that Russia continues to field the T-90M Proryv, despite the battlefield risks associated with its deployment.